Let's make snowflakes using 3 different art supplies and 3 different techniques. Each of the 3 projects need a background. And I want to do a watercolor background, but it's not necessary. You can use any color paper that you want. First, I'll wet my watercolor paper with water, and then I'm going to drop watercolor all over the wet paper. The watercolor is going to puddle and move, creating a tie-dye effect anywhere there's water. And you can tilt your paper and move it around if you want to. You can blow the watercolor across your paper however you want to. It's not about creating any specific design. We're just allowing color to land wherever it wants to land. You can splatter water onto that wet watercolor, and it's going to disperse the water a little bit. It's going to dilute it a little bit. And you can even grab a paper towel and dab up some of the paint or water. Now for some really fun effects, you can sprinkle a little bit of salt around on your paper and let it dry. The salt is going to grab paint, the color, and the water and absorb it, and it's going to pull it away. And so it's going to leave behind like these amazing little white textured spots onto your paper. Now let that background dry. It's the next day, my paper's dry. Isn't that pretty? If you haven't watched the How to Draw Snowflake video, you can find that link in the description below. But we're going to draw some snowflakes. I'm going to lightly draw my snowflakes, and then I'm going to go over those lines with some Elmer school glue. You can use any school glue. Today I have an extra pair of hands. I'm going to hold his hand a little bit. Once your child has the hang of it, you can add more glitter, more colors, whatever you like. Just dump the excess glitter onto a piece of paper, and you can use that as a funnel to put the glitter back into the bottle for another sparkly day. For the second background, I'm going to use a marker. And I'm going to draw my snowflakes all over the paper. And since I have all these colors and they match my background, you better believe I'm going to use every single one of them. Just draw snowflakes until you're happy with it. And I'm going to do different sizes, and I'm going to add different lines and different V's and different amounts. And I'm just going to put them wherever I want to, all over this paper. Now for my third background, it's more blues. I'm just going to use a white paint pen. Just like no 2 snowflakes are alike, your artwork isn't going to be like anyone else's either, and it's not meant to be. You are unique. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. And there is no one like you. And there's no one that's going to do art just like you either. Now, which one was your favorite method of creating snowflakes?